Hello, this is Brian, and today I'm going to show you how to solve an integral using substitution. The problem we'll be doing is number 27 on page 496. What the problem is asking us to do is to solve the definite integral, the integral on the closed interval between 1 and 3 of e to the power of 1 over x over x squared dx. Well, how do we solve this with substitution? Well, first off, let's begin by making our own variable, which we will commonly call u. Now, let's say that knowing knowing our FTC, then that there will be a derivative of what we'll put in as u. So we will call the derivative of u du. Now, here I'm going to make u this up here, the 1 over x. Which is pretty much, we know, is equal to 1 over negative to the power of negative 1. Using our power rule to find the derivative of this, we find that d of u is equal to 1 over x squared, which is equal to x to the power of negative 2. Now we can see both variables clearly within this. So this integral now becomes the integral on the interval of between 1 and 3, on the closed interval between 1 and 3, of e to the power of u, d of u. What we have did was to be able to change the function to make it simpler to solve by changing the variable. Now we can solve this easier. We know that the antiderivative. Now we can use our FTC easily, knowing that the antiderivative of e to anything is basically e. So our antiderivative, knowing FTC, is e to u, where x is equal, where x 3 and x equal to 1. And now between of the value between those two, the x values. Sorry. And now we can plug in u, which shows that our integral is the value of e to the power of 1 over x between the variables x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1. Now we continue on to carry out our FTC by taking e to the power of 1, by plugging this in, e to 1/3 minus e. now we take that, put that in, which is going to be a not so pleasant never-ending decimal, which will be -3.22669,403 according to my calculator. Whoops. Sorry, that was just something falling down. Thank you for watching, and carry on.